Hey guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to unbox Xiaomi's Redmi brand's latest flagship K20 Pro. This is their latest flagship. In the back side of the box, there are a lot of specs mentioned. There is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 48 MB triple camera, 20 MB pop-up selfie camera, AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, in-screen fingerprint scanner, telephoto wide angle, ultra wide angle lens, a face unlock, supports 27-watt charger, dual voltage, 3D glass back with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 4000 mAh battery. This is a flame red version, 6 GB, 128 GB version, and it is made in India. So the price on the box is given as 29,000. The 6 GB 128 GB version is available for 28,000 from Flipkart, Me.com and Me Homes, and also 8 GB 256 GB storage is also available for 31,000 from July 22nd. So it comes in three colors: flame red, glacier blue, and carbon fiber. I preferred glacier blue over flame red because of lot of unboxing of phones in blue color has been done by me. I decided to go with red color. The pricing is pretty good for the specs for the K20 Pro obviously. So let's unbox this box, and we can see on the top there is this paper envelope as usual. Okay, before we go into detail, let me take this phone outside and turn it on. Okay, it's not coming out. Let me just take the box. Okay, let me turn it on and put it on one side, and we will then go through these accessories. So that is the SIM card removal tool. I mean, come on, every company has their own signature or anything like that. Maybe a Me logo like SIM card tool will be cool. Every company should do that, something different. I mean, SIM card rule is getting stagnant, at least I think so. So there is usual paper. We don't read that. So we'll go into the case, and this is not your typical case. It's a plastic case. It looks pretty good. It seems it's a premium quality case, just like in the Mi Mix versions of phones. I mean, it's pretty good. It's not the best case I have seen. I mean, the Oppo Reno 10X zoom case was far better. It's terrific case. So that's that, and we will be going into the more accessories. There's no headphones available, unfortunately. I mean, come on, this is a flagship. They should have given a headphone. It's 20, cost 28K. I mean, so there is this typical USB-C type cable. I'm sorry for getting ranting about this, but this is a flagship phone. You should expect a flagship level unboxing. I mean, there should be accessories. So as I mentioned, this phone support 27 watts charging, but unfortunately inside the box we get the 18-watt charger, just like the Poco F1, I guess. So if you want a 27-watt charger, obviously you can go into the Xiaomi's website and can buy a 27-watt charger. It costs around 1000 rupees, I guess. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's 27,000. So okay, that is that there to talk about. So that's it for the accessories. I mean, kind of disappointed, but that's okay. I mean, at least you get a better case than any other phones at this 30K price range. So let's go into the device. Let's take a look at this. Okay, remove the plastics now. Silence. Ta-da! We have the device. It looks really good. I mean, it looks really cool. I mean, blue also looked really cool in videos and everything, but red looks cool. I mean, I have already bought the device, so I cannot complain, right? It looks really cool. Any which ways, light falls on the sides. It has kind of a 3D pattern, and it looks really cool. It's like the name, the flame red. There is some flame rolling around the backside. So on the backside, you can see there is triple camera as mentioned. It is 48 MB f1.75 Sony IMX5X is the main sensor. Then there is 8 MB 2x zoom telephoto sensor, which is f2.4 aperture. Then there is 13 MB Samsung 124.8 degree ultra wide sensor, which is also f2.4. Then there is Xiaomi and Redmi branding there. Then there is on the top there is pop-up camera, the headphone jack, primary microphone. On the bottom there is the SIM card tray. Then there is a USB type C port, secondary microphone, speaker grill. So there is no micro SD card support, so say goodbye to micro SD cards. So there is only antenna band on that side. Let me turn on the device, you can see the display 6.39-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. It is an HDR panel, 600 nits of brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. You can see how the FP works, the fingerprint sensor. Yeah, it's okay. So that display looks cool because it's a full screen display. It will be nice to see videos in this. So on the about phone, you can see that it has Android 9, then June security patch, MIUI 10.3 stable version, then a octa-core maximum 2.84 GHz processor, 6 GB RAM, and we got 115.60 GB available after the 120 GB storage. So now we go into the cameras. So there is ultra wide angle mode, of course Xiaomi, we have read the specs. Then there is the AI mode. This is a usual camera app. I mean, I don't know, I don't see much difference. There is AI mode. Yeah, I see the difference. There is a 48 MB mode on that site. I mean, that's the difference. And there is portrait mode, night mode. Obviously, there is studio lighting, night mode, panorama, and a full-fledged pro mode. So there will be camera to API enabled. I mean, it will be cool. There is also slow motion and everything. Yeah, usual typical app. Let me see there if there is any difference. From the launch, I believe that every single camera, the all three cameras can be used to shoot videos, and also 4K 60 FPS is enabled in all three sensors. Oppo, are you listening? Your flagship does not shoot videos with any other lenses except for your primary sensor. Good one, Xiaomi. So it does not have any shutter lag. I mean, it's a flagship phone for any sensor. If you take ultra wide 2x or the primary sensor, there is no shutter lag. Not 7 Pro is notorious for that. It has a half a shutter delay. I still have that phone in my home, so I know that still has shutter delay. I don't know it is fixed right now, but it still has a slight delay. Not as notorious as the at the time of the launch, but still there is shutter lag, but not for this phone. This phone is blazing fast. I mean, it's a flagship phone. They said that it is going to be the flagship killer. Obviously it has a specs for that. So let's go into the front camera. Boom, the lights and show. So the front camera looks very cool. The pop-up, I mean, the adding the light gives it some kind of a personality that other pop camera lacks. So that is that. I mean, it's cool. It looks really cool. Okay, I think I have switched on the ultra wide angle mode in my shooting camera. So it's a typical movie camera. There will be beauty mode and everything, HDRA mode and so on. So that's it for the unboxing. I guess I will come up with the detailed review of K20 Pro as soon as possible. I will be testing it as my primary device from today onwards. I have shot some camera samples and videos. I will be posting, sorry, I will be attaching this with this video. So thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is the rear camera sample of Redmi K20 Pro. It can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS on all the three lenses. So this is shot on 4K 30 FPS first. This is a sample of telephoto lens that can zoom up to 2x in Redmi K20 Pro. It can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS. Hi guys, this is the ultra wide angle sample of Redmi K20 Pro which can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS. Hi guys, this is the front facing camera sample of Redmi K20 Pro. It can shoot up to 1080p at 30 FPS.